Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to send a voice message in Microsoft Teams in just a few simple steps. Click the Attach Files button below the message box and a menu appears with two options, Attach Cloud Files and Upload from this device. Click Upload from this device to open the File Explorer window. Click into the Search Downloads bar at the top. Type the name of your audio file. For this example I'm typing audio. Click the audio file you want to send. Click Open and your audio file appears in the message box with its file name and duration. Click Send, and it appears in the chat with playback controls. You can send any audio file format Teams supports. MP3, M4A, and WAV all work. If your recipient doesn't see a transcript right away, Teams generates those automatically, but it can take a minute or two depending on file length. To record a message on the spot instead of uploading a file, look for the microphone icon next to the Send button in newer Teams builds. And that's how to send a voice message in Microsoft Teams. Thanks for watching, hope this helped.